With the ifolor designer for Mac, you can create brilliant photo books on your own computer. The free-to-use design software is the perfect tool for keeping your most cherished memories alive for years to come. If you've already begun creating a photo book, you can continue working on it at any time. To do this, simply select the photo book you've already started creating from the side menu under My Projects. The designer will then load the last saved version of your project. In order to adjust the layout of a page in your photo book, you have the option of adding, editing, or removing placeholders for images or text. Additional text fields and image placeholders can be inserted and edited anywhere in your photo book via drag and drop. This will also enable you to overlap photos or insert text over photos. By right-clicking on Placeholder, you'll also have the ability to delete or rearrange it. You can use this method to do something like place an image in the background to have text appear in front of it. In order to adjust the design and page layout of your photo book, you'll find the two menu items Themes and Page Templates at the bottom of the screen. Under Themes, you'll have the ability to give your entire photo book a whole new look with just a few clicks of the mouse. You'll have many colourful as well as more subdued designs to choose from. Under the Page Templates menu, you'll also find many page templates with various arrangements of text and image placeholders. With just a click of the mouse, you can select your desired design and choose on which page the corresponding layout should be applied. A small tip: you can also change the layout for pages where you've already inserted photos. The photos will automatically be shifted to the new layout. If, on the other hand, you would like to use your own layout and design for creating your photo book, you also have the option of making your own individualized template. Should you already know, for instance, that every left or right page of your book should have the same layout, you can apply this layout to all the corresponding pages without having to adjust the layout every time for each single page. In order to save a page layout as a template, simply right-click on a placeholder or the entire page. Here you'll have the option of saving either the entire double page or just the single page as a template. You can then find your saved page templates in the menu on the bottom of the screen under Custom. You can click on any of these templates at any time to add them to your photo book. Give your photo book an especially personal touch and use the creative design possibilities that the designer has to offer. In the bottom menu, you'll find things like frames, backgrounds, and clip art. Under frames and backgrounds, you'll have many different photo frames as well as colourful backgrounds to choose from. If you've found something you like, you can click on the small arrow located on the right of the corresponding background or frame. Here, you can decide if this should be applied to a photo, a whole book page, every left or right page, or the whole photo book. Clip art, as well as speech bubbles, can be placed anywhere in your photo book via drag and drop. You can click on any of these graphics to adjust their size as well as rotate them. Just try it out for yourself. You can undo changes at any time by going to the menu at the top, clicking on Edit, and then Undo. You can also easily delete a graphic by selecting it and then pressing Delete on your keyboard. Make your photo book interactive. With the ifolor designer for Mac, you have the ability to add, besides photos, QR codes. You could use these QR codes to link to something such as the hotel you stayed at during your last holiday, or perhaps to a music video. If, on the other hand, you would like to add a freeze frame from a video, you can do this by clicking on Add and then Video Frame. Here you can select any video you have saved on your Mac and create a freeze frame of the video from any scene you choose. You can then insert this in your photo book. Finish up creating your photo book by designing the cover. Once you click on the front and back cover, The Page Templates option in the bottom menu will turn into Covers. Here you'll find numerous design templates. Besides themed templates, you can also use your own photo or photos, text, and clip art for designing the front and back cover. Good to know. Hardbound photo books, such as the Photobook Deluxe, offer you the possibility of adding text to the spine. This will help you easily locate your photo album when searching for it in your bookshelf. In order to make the process of designing your photo book as easy as possible, the ifolor Designer for Mac offers you, amongst other things, help positioning your pictures and text, as well as image optimization. You can find these in your Preferences. Simply click on ifolor Designer in the upper left-hand corner and then select Preferences. There you'll be able to activate settings such as autosave, grids, or image optimization. Before ordering your personalized photo book from ifolor, first review your photo book by clicking on Preview. Here you will be shown your photo book just as it will appear after it is printed, bound, and delivered to your home. Once you've reviewed your photo book in the preview, you can order your finished photo book. Simply click on In the Shopping Basket. The ifolor Designer will then scan your photo book and point out errors to you, such as empty placeholders or problems with your text, and warn you about poor image quality. By clicking on Check Notes, you can view all of the errors and fix them. After successfully fixing any errors that may have appeared, you'll be led to your shopping basket. Here, you'll have the option of also ordering your photo book as a PDF ebook, as well as an attractive present box. By clicking on Order, the designer will lead you through the last steps to wrap up your order. To complete your order, enter your billing and delivery address and then choose your payment method in the next step. Only after this step will your data be transferred. Depending on the size of your photo book and your internet connection, this process may take a bit of time. Once the upload of your data is complete, you'll receive an email confirmation. Congratulations! In just a few days, you'll receive your self-created photo book at your doorstep. Enjoy your new photo book.